What's up guys, Valor Reviews here. Why is Fred calling? Doing this ends the call. Wow. Now I have the Infinix S5 in my hand. It's the 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM version. Now let's unbox this phone. In the box you have the phone. Here's a quick spec of the device. It has a 6.6-inch display, 4 AI cameras, a 4000 mAh battery. More on that to come. You get a customer service card. You have a SIM removal tool. Guys, you get 100 days broken screen replacement for free. What? So if you happen to break your screen within the first 100 days of purchase, it will be replaced for free. You get an X Club pamphlet. If you own an Infinix device, don't snooze, join the X Club. Shout out to Frozen for the VIP treatment. There are a lot of benefits when you join the X Club. You get a clay TPU case, a user manual, a screen protector film, a 10W charger, earphones, a micro USB cable, and that's about it in the box. Now let's talk about the new gesture features on the Infinix S5. You can now answer phone calls by showing the phone the peace sign and reject a call by showing the phone the waka sign, and it works. You can also control the music you're playing when the screen is off by swiping to the left to go back to the previous track, swiping to the right to go back to the next track, swiping up to pause the music, and swiping down to play. Now let's talk about the build quality and design. The Infinix S5 is made from plastic. Plastic is a durable material, it's light and it lasts long. Honestly, the plastic on this device feels more like glass. It's sturdy, it feels good to hold, it has these amazing stripes that look good. On the left side of the device, you have the dual SIM tray and memory card. Yes, finally, this phone supports the Glo 4G band. The memory card, on the other hand, is expandable to 256GB. To the right side of the device, you have the power button and the volume keys. They are well spaced out, so you won't be pressing one over the other by accident. At the top of the device, there's nothing, and at the bottom, you have the mono speaker, a micro USB port to charge your device. There's also a mic and a 3.5mm audio jack. At the rear of the device, you have 4 cameras, a quad LED flash, a fingerprint scanner that is fast. You can also use the face unlock feature to unlock your phone if that's what you want. It is equally fast. You have a huge display and an Infinix O display, which houses the 32MP front-facing camera. Now the Infinix S5 has a good design. The edges of the phones are not rough. It's a big phone, but it's easy and comfortable to hold. By the way, if you pre-order this device with 5,000 Naira, you get a Bluetooth headset. So hurry up, pre-order ends soon. Now let's talk about the display. It has a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display. It's a 720p display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The display is big, perfect for consuming media. Colors are sharp. Watching YouTube on this device is good. Playing games is enjoyable. The large display makes the Infinix X5 a budget media consuming powerhouse. Just to compare notes, the Samsung S10 Plus display is a 6.4-inch, while the Infinix X5 display is a 6.6-inch. So yeah, the Infinix S5 has a big display, and like I said earlier on, it's easy to hold. It has small bezels as well, and this adds to the immersive experience when using this phone. Now, the Infinix S5 is powered by a Mediatek Helio P22 chip. It's a 12nm chip paired with the PowerVR GPU. You can play games like Pubg on balanced graphics and medium frame rate, and the gameplay is smooth. Playing as Fortnite Legends is fluid as well, but the phone got a little bit warm. The Infinix S5 has a game mode to improve your gaming experience. You can also set it to block incoming calls so you don't get disturbed while you're playing. Now for the user interface, the Infinix S5 is running on Android 9 with XOS Cheetah 5.5.2. Moving across the interface is fluid. If you want more options to customize your phone, you can always install Nova Launcher. Call quality on this device is impressive. The speakers are okay. No complaints here. The front camera on this device is a 32MP camera. It takes good pictures, and in a properly lit environment, it takes amazing pictures. It doesn't have a front-facing flash. The screen gets bright enough and acts as the flash. For the rear cameras, it has a 60MP main camera, a 5MP ultra-wide camera, a 2MP depth sensor, and a Qvga sensor. Now moving to the battery life, the Infinix S5 has a 4000 mAh battery. From my usage, I was able to get 7 hours screen on time with this device. The device has a solid battery and also last you the entire day. I played Pubg for 30 minutes on this device and the battery dropped by 10%, which is decent. So there you have it, the Infinix S5, the 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM version is a solid device. I love the build quality, I love the way it looks, I love the way it feels in my hand. Even though it's a big device, it's easy to hold. The Infinity O display gives this device a unique look. I love the 6.6-inch display, it's large and good for watching YouTube and playing games. I love the performance on this phone thanks to the Helio P22 chip. Priced at 53,000 naira, it's a little bit expensive. If only it was priced at 47,500 naira. But then again, there's the S5 Lite that is priced at 46,500 and 42,500 naira. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Valor signing out.